Hello folks, Jim here from Fifield Farm. Today we're going to move the 53 Dodge truck where it's been sitting for 19 years. We're going to finally move it out of the shop. Of course, not by its own power, but we've got many more videos to come after that. The front wheel has been off for that long because it needed brakes. Never got around to getting the brakes fixed, so I went ahead and just put the wheel back on just so we can roll it. We're going to move it over here to this bay. We got our big open house coming for the farm museum on October 4th, so we're clearing up this space. But probably do a video on first start and probably the brakes. We'll get the brakes all put back on it and get it back on the road. All right, we'll see you then. Hey, like and subscribe.